Every year, nearly 70,000 Indians are infected with HIV. If the virus mutates rapidly, like what the world has experienced in the case of COVID-19, the consequences could be alarming. This is exactly what has happened. Scientists have discovered a new highly infectious HIV strain in the Netherlands. Scientists have named this virus, far more serious and infectious variant, as HIV virulent subtype B. The variant was first discovered at the Beehive project conducted by Oxford. It was discovered that 17 HIV-positive individuals from this project were infected by this new variant, and 15 among them were from Netherlands. Scientists knew that mutations can pose a serious danger, and the recent findings have confirmed their worst fear, providing a rare example of such dangers posed by viral evolution to human beings. Some concerning features of the new variant are: it is present 3.5 to 5.5 times more in the blood of an infected person compared to the old variant. The individuals with the VB variant were more likely to spread the virus to others than the previously known variant. A particular type of white blood cell, CD4 cells that fight against infections and are the backbone of our immune system, decline twice as fast with this new variant. But the silver lining is that according to experts, the current medications are still effective against new variants. However, the new variant suppresses the immunity at a rapid pace and requires early diagnosis and immediate treatment. We can still look back at the existing treatment, antiretroviral therapy, which doesn't cure HIV but helps infected individuals to manage and lead a longer and healthier life. It goes without saying, we have to carry out early prevention measures in a more vigilant and cautious manner. To know more about such scientific developments around the world, log on to Embibe.com or download the app to know more.